Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Myself Harish. Today I want to discuss about the topic that we have given by our teacher is that ECS degree still matters even if AI writes all the code. In according to all the perspectives which I have seen and listened from many people, I think that there are both bone and bane for this because if AI writes all the code, humans will become very lazy and they don't even show that much of enthusiasm to learn code or to do any work. And that is why I think humans should have a CS degree because it is a goal for them to achieve a degree because since from olden days we have that pattern, but according to new technology it doesn't matter because we are in a era where skills are mattered than the degrees. But by doing a degree which is traditionally coming from our past, a student can improve more in his academics and he become more hard worker. If AI will do all the things, then he'll become very lazy. So according to my perspective, both will be there so that students can learn something from coding and something from AI, and he can even work harder to betterment of himself. So I like to give this mic to Dinesh so that he can tell his perspective.
I accept with each and every point spoken by Harish, and I will also like to add such points like right now the number of students studying CS is the 70% of the total students studying the BTech, and definitely they are just going against the degrees like pursuing BTech is more favorable than pursuing the BArch and BSc. This is all the thing I will say is stupidity because everything matters on skills, not on the degree. Right now different innovations are being done, and yeah, like AI. Right now I had found my friends who are in studying right now in NIT. Even they're also in NIT Ahmedpur. The backend technologies are being used. For them right now a SIH competition has been organized and they have given some projects. They made a project, they made a team of 6 people with some 2 girls and other boys, and they all participated. They did around 3 days of work. They did work whole day and night, around spending around 10 hours of the day for the competition. But when I think of it, I just gave my one single prompt to the AI about the idea they gave, the idea they're making, and boom. What I came to know is that my project was 5 times better than what they made. The 6 people has invested around 10 hours of the day, spending around 180 hours, and AI has just done the work within 10 minutes. So yeah, AI is definitely, I can say that downgrading the CS background, but definitely the person who has the capabilities to do great will AI can't stop that person. Yeah, definitely I will like to include my buddy who wants to add some points. Take Lokesh.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Dinesh, but did your teammates learn something while using AI? Any kind of concept, any kind of tag they will learn in while doing the on-ground coding? I actually don't agree with all the things that AI can't do. I agree with that AI can help you a lot, but there is some things which you need to learn specifically because as AI can make mistake, and in order to fix those mistakes AI can't fix it by itself, but we need, as a human, we need to analyze the whole thing, and we can fix the codes. And in order to be learning, AI is basically trained on the specific kind of data, but humans are like more adaptable and flexible, so they can learn based on any topic, and when they read anything they like root it down in their mind. But AI can't do this. AI can forget things easily as they have the memory, but humans have the longer memory than any kind of machines. And as a CS thing, you need algorithm to analyze the code of AI, and you need the algorithm, you need to be specific in some topics and professional in that topic. So like, and
Gentlemen, I will definitely converse your point because right now when we are seeing AI, we are talking about the CS degree, and definitely if AI is doing everything, why should we learn? Why should the degree be made when AI is doing everything, every sort of thing, and definitely some part of people definitely will include in it. I am saying that around 70% of the students are included in it, and most of them are right now not getting jobs. Even the top MNCs are giving layoff to many thousands of people.
Let me answer your question.
Okay.
You said a good point, but the students who have been means those are means those didn't get job, or some jobs lost their job because they didn't means get adaptive, or they didn't learn according to their need. That's why. For example, you also have seen the news in Google that Google also yeah, he lead out all those so many Python developers because
Yeah, it's fact.
it's a fact. You can search in Google and you can see.
Yeah,
But-
I'll agree with him.
But one thing you must know that you must means CS degree matters in every place. Means you are the only one who will train the AI for what you need. Means you can know. You also know that AI can means do all those means 1,000 lines or so many lines code in just a few minutes or few hours. But it takes a human being to do it a day or much longer time than the AI. But AI can't make it of its own. If a human only give his prompt or idea, all those stuff, then only he will be able to do all those things now. But there is also a problem that it there is also a problem that doing all those things from AI makes the person lazy as well as make him dumb or doing all those stuff.
I agree with you.
And I would like to pass to my friend.
Also, I agree with Shashwat, what he said, that AI AI is made by computer engineers, and definitely degree is needed. Not we can completely rely on. We also need to learn skills, but also we need to have a degree and all.
Friends, I still agree with my friends which was in the favor of CS degree still matter. In my opinion, CS degree is still matter, and it is very important because they teach us about the algorithm, system design, and they build our foundation. And this group discussion, this is group discussion, bro. So
Next.
so AI can write the code, but without without going the fundamentals and not studying, not much more learning about the fundamentals, foundations, we cannot improve the code. And also, CS degree is still matter in my opinion. And anyone who would like to disagree with me?
Thank you so much for passing me the mic. And CSG still matters in very much foundation. We can say, first of all, thing it is a foundation of our tools, where AI can generate codes, but it cannot provide the basicity, the algorithms that we are trying to learn, that we are trying to teach, seeking permissions. Okay, but CSG provides me the foundation, the algorithms, the necessity. CS degree, it also refers us that the leadership quality we will provide in our college. Okay, sorry. And CS degree also providing us the problem solving mindset. Whatever we are teaching, they are teaching us. We will. They all are trying to be that they all people get higher educational qualities, higher mentorship, higher leadership, everything that is necessary for their goods lives development. And what you can say, human creativity and critical thinking. It also refers in CSE degree. Next point that we can say, long-term value, where nowadays tech teams keep changing their programs ideas. Previously it was on Java, but now AI switched into Python plus. But core concepts, algorithm, OS network, database remains the same. Okay, it will come in all over the time. That will not going to change. Next point that I'm going to say is ethics and responsibility. AI can't decide if solution is ethical, secure, or socially responsible. CS grades are needed to guide AI that will be in the right direction. So I'm going to pass my mic to Dhruv so that he can explain us more about this.
Yes, I completely agree what you said. Like if people don't study CS deeply, then who will make better AIs in the future?
Yeah, it is the actual thing we have. It is the actual question that we have to think, because it is a major problem that we are facing in the today's generation.
Yeah, I like to add that see, AI is helpful in various perspective area and various field. For example, it helps in doing the research work. For example, experiment is done, but to analyze the data and all those things, AI is very much useful and it gives more accurate than a human doing. But there is there is a big problem regarding AI. Means AI need a large server and to make it, means to keep it cool, we need a large amount of fresh water. So for Microsoft, one of a known industry, means software company in this world, which makes operating system and all AI, is also having his AI called Cockpit. And to keep it cool, to keep his server cool, he used to put all those server inside a sea water, and which to putting it inside this, when putting inside sea water, it may from this radiation and the heat, the sea life, the water bodies get damaged, and it produce harmful things in this earth for our nature also and environment.
I accept what you mentioned. I would like to point that what are we doing? We have why they are putting the servers inside the water bodies. Is it about the topic cation right now? I had not told that AI will replace the whole CS background degrees. I am saying that the amount of people doing that degree and the amount of people needed for that thing has a great margin, and due to that many people are getting affected. Right now, according to the Elon Musk and Tim Ferriss, they both said, and they are one of the biggest co-founders, and Elon Musk being the richest man said, one day definitely AI will replace the humans. And according to Tim Ferriss, only a few margin of peoples can be able to adopt AI and lead their life. Rest people leading towards the CS background will one day get demolished. According to all the sayings, I would like to say, yeah, a little margin of peoples are okay for CS, and also the people who are in that margin should be having enough knowledge and not only degree. Like nowadays all colleges are giving degree, but the degree doesn't matter when they're not having skills. The thing that matters is skills, and the people who are making the skills are getting succeeded. And definitely the lay of things you are coming to know, yeah, of course they're lacking a little bit of skills, but they are not able to cope up with the skills because not of the perfect guidance, I would like to say. And yeah, anybody would like to add a point?
Yeah, actually, the point I want to add is, because we are not a robots, we are humans. Our mind will eventually changes according to the environment around us. If I am very interested in coding, I'll take a CSC course, or without any degree, I'll just learn the codings and I'll get a job in top MNC. After 2 years of job, I'll really feel bored of that job and I just want to go for UPSC or any other government jobs. For that, I definitely need a degree. So if I don't have a CS degree, which is very valid, so I cannot write all those exams, I cannot reach my goal, right? So since we are not a robots, we are human beings. Since our things and our goals always changes, so in this matter, I can say that CS degree matters parallel with coding skills also.
I would like to add a point, gentlemen. Not only CS degree matters. There are other degrees also, like EC, EEE, that are also there, and people should also get interested in it. Everyone is just going for CSC. I would like to say like that. And yeah, you are like to adding some points.
Yeah, what you said, that all I agree with my friend about the degrees, but so many people are means pursuing CS degree because means in future CS degree is means getting a big amount, means so many industries are, and means so it is the industry of CS is getting larger and it will get a big amount of money and they can earn. That's why people are means pursuing CS degree, and I would like to give to it my friend Dhruv so that he can say some points.
I think both points are valid. A CS degree gives you a strong foundation, but at the same time, skills and adaptability are more important in the era of AI. So, this combination is a very good combination of having a degree and learning new things and learning skills in the AI era. Anyone would like to add a point?
I would like to add something.
Yeah, definitely I accept with the point, and I would also like to add that right now, like ChatGPT, they are also, even if you ask ChatGPT that can AI replace it, yeah, ChatGPT also accepts that human interface is important. Without that, ChatGPT can't even also work. And after that, I would like to conclude the video with my friend Harish. Can you conclude?
From our group discussion, it's very clear that CS degree is matter a lot, but in the backside, the skills and the adaptability are very more convenient to stay in the future, in the AI future.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with all your words what you said right now.
So.
Okay.